I'm Arnab Sen. I'm the CEO of Reventex. I've been with Reventex since we founded it back in 2016, so it's been 5 years now. So Reventex was formed as a company to focus on the physician revenue cycle management space. The way we built this company is a very differentiated, value-adding, solutions-driven organization for physicians. What I mean by that is essentially we built on 3 core pillars. We like to call it the CAT framework. So it's clinically focused, analytics-led, and technology-driven. Reventex was set up with the core objective of being partner to provider organizations. And that is the basic foundation on which we've built this organization, and that's what we'll continue to do. Our goal is to make sure that we work with physician organizations, whether it be within independent physician groups or hospitals, with the entire objective being how do we help maximize compliant revenues. Now, what I mean by that is that we will be focused, as we are right now, heavily on compliance aspects of healthcare, but also make sure that the physicians get paid for what they do. So to that extent, we have unique products. Specifically, we have a product called RevCDI, which is a clinical documentation improvement product, and then RevMax, which is a product on the RCM side of things, whether it be at the front end or the back end, accounts receivable management, denials management, and so on. And what we do with those products is essentially look at everything that the provider has been doing, making sure that we capture it accurately and make sure that we extract the most value that we can by being true to what they have done and getting the reimbursement that they deserve back from the insurance companies.
My name is Simrit Sandhu, and I am the Revenue Integrity Analyst at Reventex. My current job compares in the way where I've been given more opportunities here at Reventex that I have not received in the past. There's a lot of potential for growth, always being able to learn new things, getting more responsibility, like the respect for it as well too. Hillary is a great manager already, but she also allows for a very flexible schedule, which makes it much better than my other roles too. If I had 5 words to describe Reventex, they would be impeccable teamwork, flexibility, accountability, trivia, and integrity.
Values that Reventex embrace daily are their understanding on healthcare requirements and offering better CDL-led coding services to their customers using strong clinical resources and latest technology services.
I'm Stephen Rogers, and my role is revenue cycle management and billing support. If I had 5 words to describe Reventex, I would say a great place to work.
Employees take a lot of pride in the quality of work and in the work they do. They are proud to be the ambassadors of Reventex and really think in terms of a client-first mentality and thought process. So we see that reflected in their daily work. We also are using the latest cutting-edge technology in AI and machine learning to predict denials and to use natural language processing for finding documentation deficiencies for physicians. And so all of these are leading to higher revenue for our client as well as higher efficiencies for our internal operations.
Reventex is a very respectful company. Your coworkers are respectful, your bosses are respectful, and they really embrace making each employee feel like they contribute something of value, and they respect the differences that you have.
What I enjoy most about working here at Reventex is the people, the team collaboration that we always have. There's a great sense of clients are first, which is really important, I think, in our industry, to really emphasize that clients are always number one, and we always try to do everything we can to support them, to grow with them, to partner with them, and really figure out how we can support their growth in the future. Reventex embraces drive, constant drive. We don't take no. There's always a push for excellence, a push for clients, a push for delivering value. I think those are really the key drivers that make Reventex and really set them apart from others. It's just fun. What I like about Reventex is it's fun, and I love that we have US associates and we have global associates. And so despite the time zones, despite whatever is going on with the clients, whether it be good or bad, constantly we're a team and we are on the phone with each other, we're on emails, we are just around the clock trying to figure out how to solve their problems. And I don't think you could ask any more from a company, is to make sure that clients converse and you're trying to solve their problems at the end of the day.
My name is Hari Velayathan, and my role is Chief Operating Officer. Reventix engages with the provider. By engaging the provider, we get our physicians to give their 100% focus on their patients. And by giving their 100% focus on their patients, they're able to improve outcomes and thereby increase revenues and be performing at a peak level. You want to work here because you see yourself playing an independent role in the future. We are grooming future CEOs in Reventix. And every employee here gets a well-rounded experience and to see all aspects of it, to put their hands, get them the opportunity to sit across the leaders in healthcare and to be able to solve problems. So we are basically grooming future CEOs.
My name is Lindsay Barber. I'm the Assistant Vice President of Billing and Insurance AR. What I enjoy most about working at Reventix is the opportunities. I've had a lot of positions here, both new and different, that have allowed me to gain industry knowledge and utilize my subject matter expertise. I feel like every day is a nice encounter with both coworkers and customers. We have a lot of employees here that have worked at Reventix for several years, and this is honestly my home away from my family. I see the values that Reventix embraces through our core values, which is driven from our mission statement, Achieve. It stands for accountable, compliant, honest, initiative, efficient, value-added, and excellence.
I think some of the key values that Reventix embraces daily are value add and honesty and integrity. So our ability to do the right thing while always keeping in mind how do we add value without adding cost. What I enjoy most about working with Reventix is being able to interact with the clinicians. Teaching physicians is a real passion of mine.
My name is Brian Wilson. I'm the Senior Systems Administrator. I see Reventix embracing company culture and teamwork and embracing getting the job done together to the best of our ability.
The values I see Reventix embrace daily are initiative and hard work. Everyone takes the time and effort to better themselves to help the company evolve.
The values that I see embraced on a daily here at Reventix are that we are a group of committed, hardworking people. And of course, our Achieve values, we hold ourselves at a high standard. One encounter that I had is when the providers actually give me a call and say, hey, you caught that missing item within my chart. Thank you so much for catching that. And then we can take it, have it coded, and process the bill. So that's a nice encounter for me to know that I'm doing my job well.
So when we say robotics here, it's not like physical robot per se. We are talking about robotics process automation. So any mundane work, as I said, any work which human is doing day in day out, same task again and again, that is where we say, okay, let's try to teach a system and let my system be my executive and do that task. So that is where we say it's a robotic and process automation. So we robotize the process and let it continue for like 24/7, and it keep on doing same task day in day out with higher quality, no leaves, no breakdowns, nothing. So that's what we talk about robotics here.
What I enjoy most about working at Reventix, besides the flexible schedule, is the management style. If you need help, it's readily available. If you don't, you can work independently and without being micromanaged. If you make an occasional error, steps are taken to identify where that happened, and workflow changed a little bit to help prevent them in the future. I work hard to maintain a good rapport with a lot of the attorneys that I send billing records to on a very regular basis. And when I get feedback from them, they appreciate my efforts, even if I've had to ask them for another release because the other one wasn't complete or something. They appreciate my thoroughness, and that makes me feel successful at what I do.
I think Reventix is a company of its employees. people, irrespective of the team that they belong to, bring a lot of energy and collaboration into whatever they are doing. Everyone believes that we are doing something very important to our customers. I think that is the most important thing that I really enjoy working in Reventix. I'm incredibly proud of teams and our leaders and what we do here for our customers.
So I don't have a favorite client. I enjoy all of them. They're all different and unique in their own ways. But having meetings with them, collaborating with them, that's my favorite part. And then obviously being able to deliver anything that they require.
My name is Piyudas and I'm an assistant manager in this Tableau development team. When I started since 2017 and it's been 4 years I'm in this organization. Reventix provides us a platform for the creative thoughts and also they work together as a team to make the thoughts into reality.
Working at Reventix is all about revenue cycle, but deep down, when you go and get to see things like the emergency department and the physicians that you work with, you realize the impact that you're really having is more than just the money side of it.
I enjoy how great the team is here. I believe that everybody here works really well together. They're always very goal-oriented.
I think if I had 5 words to describe Reventix, it would be clinically influenced coding helping physicians.
Oh gosh, I've had a lot of nice encounters with coworkers and clients.
What I enjoy most about working at Reventix would be the coworkers, the people I work with, and the work environment.
I think the most I enjoy about my job at Reventix is that I have the freedom to try out new things in terms of new initiatives or new approaches to solving problems. There is a very high degree of acceptance of new ideas. It's okay to fail. It's okay to try something new because everyone's doing it, and that's the part that makes the company so unique. But there is one common thread that I feel runs across all the roles that I've played, and that thread is that I've always enjoyed working with people, and be it in a transformation role or be it in a business role or in a client-facing role, there's always been the people element that has played an important role and is something that I really enjoy.
I think me and Erica make a great team. We flow together. Yeah, we flow great together. And our workflow is like that. All right now.